Hello, this is our second video about NeoFS. Today we will talk about how Neo blockchain is used by NeoFS for payments. This is Alice. She has a picture of a hilarious cat that she wants to store in NeoFS. This is Bob. He owns few NeoFS storage nodes. He wants to get a reward for storing and distributing other users' data. For payments and rewards in NeoFS we use gas tokens. Gas deposit and withdraw operations are controlled by NeoFS smart contract. It means when Alice wants to pay for storage, she will transfer some gas to smart contract address. And when Bob wants to withdraw some gas he earned, he would also call NeoFS smart contract and receive transaction with the requested amount. So NeoFS smart contract holds on its account all the gas currently involved in NeoFS mutual settlements. All settlements between NeoFS users are processed inside NeoFS inner ring. Inner ring keeps track of internal transactions and maintains internal accounts balances. Inner ring nodes are constantly monitoring Neo blockchain transactions to be in sync with NeoFS smart contract's account state. Now, Alice wants to store her cat picture. She has 10 gas tokens and transfers them to NeoFS smart contract address. Inner ring notices this transaction. Because Alice never used NeoFS before, she doesn't have internal account yet. It will be created automatically. Internal transaction table will now have the information about Alice's deposit of 10 gas tokens, and her balance is now 10 gas tokens as well. Having some gas at her account, she published her hilarious cat picture and it's now stored on NeoFS nodes owned by Bob. If Bob nodes store Alice's data properly, he will receive a portion of reward for each period of storing the data. That's why we need internal transactions and internal balances. Because the reward is distributed in small portions, it may be inconvenient to use on-chain transactions for it. Also, the same user may be hosting others' data and paying for storing his own data in NeoFS. All those micropayments require settlement, so we use on-chain transactions only for depositing gas and withdrawing it. Let's see how it works. Each epoch inner ring will transfer some amount of gas to Bob's account as a reward. Both Alice's and Bob's accounts will be updated consistently. Using NeoFS CLI, Bob can see his account's balance. CLI will issue a API request to inner ring and show the result to Bob. Now he has 4 gas tokens and decides to withdraw them. He uses CLI to issue withdraw request. Inner ring nodes block the requested amount. This is done by creating a temporary account with limited lifetime. As a result of withdraw request, inner ring nodes will create a token just like a bank check, signed by all inner ring nodes. If it's not used during defined time limit, blocked amount of money will be returned back to Bob's balance. To withdraw gas, Bob calls NeoFS smart contract and provides his withdraw check token. Smart contract ensures that the check token has valid multi-signature from inner ring nodes, that check ID was not used yet, that all data inside is correct, and issues on-chain transaction. As inner ring is monitoring on-chain transactions, it will see that the check was used and reflect those changes in internal accounts. Now Bob has 4 gas tokens earned for storing hilarious cat picture.